So I wonder, how would you reconcile the protection of animals and the practice of releasing animals?
That's a very good question. Well, the reason is that although some Buddhists are indeed very devout and committed to their spiritual practices, they might not pay much attention to the different living environments of various species, like animals and plants, or to the protection of our natural surroundings. As a result, if someone acts on impulse and releases many species indiscriminately out of an emotional response, it can indeed have very negative consequences. Therefore, in different situations, we also advise everyone that if you want to practice animal release, you should first research the species you intend to release, specifically whether they can actually survive. Their way of surviving and whether they can live in the local environment without causing harm are important considerations, because protecting animals is a very important principle. At the same time, protecting the natural environment and the ecological system is even more important. So this requires a very rational and scientific way of thinking. That is, every issue needs to be analyzed. In this way, many current animal release practices are very well conducted, but a very small number of release methods are not in accordance with the proper principles. Therefore, we should make corrections where needed and come up with some new solutions.